Welcome back everyone. I hope everyone is doing great. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to download world political boundary shapefile. So now just type in world shapefile download and you could see open data soft. So from here you can download the world administrative boundaries or political boundary. So here many file formats are available, so I'm going to choose geographic file formats and I'm going to choose shapefile in that, and here I'm going to save it to a particular location, and the downloading has been successfully completed. Let us view the file. So this is the downloaded file. Let me extract the file. Now let us have a quick view in QGIS. Layers, add layer, add vector layer, browse for this location of the file. So navigate to the folder location where you have downloaded the file. Now here we are going to use ESRI shapefile and I'm going to choose the world administrative boundaries. Click open, add it. So you can see here this is the world administrative shapefile. Change the symbology by right clicking on this file, go to properties. So here at the top I'm going to choose categorized and you can choose based on the name. So I'm going to classify it based on name, and you can see here many countries are available. Let me click and click OK. Now you can see here you can also label this, show label. Likewise you can also select and export a particular country. You can use the selection option, select features and zoom into any particular location. For example, you can see here Democratic Republic of Congo. So after selecting this country boundary, once again right click and you can find export. Here you can choose save selected feature as, and you can choose this option to save it to any particular location. Now after navigating to the desired folder, you can give the name. So after giving the name, click on save and click OK. You can see here how I have exported the country. So like this you can download the file and extract the region which you are interested in, or you can use it as a complete package. So thanks for watching. If you have any other doubts on this, please do ask in the comment section. Please do subscribe. If you like the video, give us a like. Thank you.